All right, so back on the road. I'm gonna try and head over towards Yellowstone area and hopefully be able to get a spot. Right now GPS is saying I probably won't get there till around 8 o'clock, so we're about 9 hours away. Might stop sooner than that if we get a good spot somewhere, so I'll be looking for that. But anyways, pretty happy with the first day, and now for another day of some long travel. Headed towards Yellowstone area. It is getting pretty dark already, so we still have a little bit of sun out, and I hate setting up and cooking in the dark. So as far as getting sites, the furthest site that I was able to find that's actually potential for dispersed camping is at least 15 miles away. So what I'm thinking, and it might even be taken, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna get a KOA for the night and just enjoy dinner, and then wake up early and we'll hit Yellowstone. So let's get to that KOA. Alright, found the Dutch oven. Just gotta cut one of these ribs off, make it fit. So good. Other than it being late, this is an awesome dinner. Ribs, bacon, and mushrooms. All right, all packed up, good to go. Next stop, Yellowstone. right, so that was a fun time. Really, Yellowstone is kind of like a geologist version of Disneyland, and so that was pretty fun. All the geologic things going on here. This is a super volcano and tons of thermal activity, and so it was really neat to see something that's active. I spent most of the day driving in the caldera, and that's crazy to think, you know, I'm in the middle of a super volcano that's active, but it was pretty neat. A lot of cool things, saw a lot of geysers, also saw a lot of pools, mineral pools and things like that. Mud volcano was really neat. Saw a lot of good things. The only thing is the crowds were insane today. I was in numerous lines of traffic. Whenever I tried to get to a geyser or something, it seems like everybody in the world was too. You know, I'm sure there's a lot more stuff that I didn't get to see. You know, I actually didn't get to see Old Faithful, and there was just too many crowds. As I pulled in, every single parking spot was taken, but fun time nonetheless. Beautiful weather and pretty warm, but had a good time. And next time, you know, love to make a few days out of this, maybe even do a backpacking trip while I'm out here. But this was a fun trip to say that I did, and cool to see all the things that are here.